My computer shit the bed. No, mic's working. Also, welcome, Marbona. So the thank goodness for autosave, because it saved a lot of my progress on there. I just didn't have my mic on. So what happened is that I have a sometime Corsair. I have Corsair IQ software, which is a hardware-software communication device, and essentially it sometimes interferes with my Unreal Engine communication, and it causes what's known as a D3D crash. And so that combination of NVIDIA IC, which is Corsair IQ shit, with all my hardware that I use, and then like graphically intensive, like there's a lot of graphics processes going on, it can really fuck me over and just crash the live stream just like that. So, but we're back. I need to restart my PC anyways. Shoot, like my lights were flickering and everything, meaning that like there were outages in like protocols, and it's like it was receiving incomplete packets of information. But we're back. All right. Oh, hey, it's my water bottle. There we go. So. Yep. All right. So, last we were leaving off of is that we were on the maps and we were going to go to the home base. And what we were doing is, yeah. All right. Necessary shelling time. All right. Otherwise, if you all are enjoying the stream and want to be notified when my streams go back after shit like that, make sure to like and subscribe if you're on YouTube, and follow if you are on Twitch. Follow on Twitch if you want to frighten me, and spook me. Okay, so we have a pretty easy dub right here. Rotate lead map right. So what we do instead is that we do rotation multiplier. We make this a float. And rotation multiplier. When we're rotating to the right, we multiply it by 1. Otherwise, we don't multiply it. And then if we're rotating it to the left, rotation multiplier is set to -1, and the rotation multiplier is set to 1. Oh, 0. So that rotation multiplier, when it goes into the camera, into this is where things get really fucky-wucky. Yeah, so what we are going to do is that we are going to do, looks like the music's a bit loud. Fine tune that. So actor rotation. So we're gonna add, so we're gonna get the rotation multiplier. And then make this like, I don't know, 5 degrees. We're gonna make this 5 degrees. We multiply this. Multiply this, make our lives easier. Boom and boom. Boom, mission select. Whee! Oh shit. Order of operations here. Oh wait. Hold on. Yeah, no. Order of operations. So we had one. So get actor rotation. Huh. Get actor rotation. Okay, so if I have a new camera pawn, I have my camera. Get relative rotation. Split the struct pin. And if all my movement is based off that camera component. Okay. Why are you resetting back to? Why are you resetting back to? Oh yes, order of operations. Yes, that's what's going on. Yeah, so I was right. Multiply that by 1, and then we add this. Then we add that. Yep. Yep. Okay, cool. So if we play, if I do this, okay, so that solves that, and then get actor location, movement multiplier, forward vector, movement, yep. What happens if I just add these? Feel like this is gonna backfire on me, but oh wow. So we're gonna add that, and then do this, and then do that, and and then go to the Y, and then boom and boom. Did you look at that, chat? It did not backfire on me, which is... What are we making here? Well, if you look at the top, we're making the movement camera. But to tell you what I am specifically making, it is Penumbras. It is a narrative-driven, tile-based strategy game where you command a squad of unicorn deer, as you can see right here. We are hunting down the recently convicted heretic known as Callisto, and you're trying to piece together her trail and gather evidence. But see, these eldritch abominations are preventing you from gathering said evidence, and you have to defeat them in intense tile-based combat in order to recover the evidence and bring it to an investigation board, which allows you to delve deeper into the dark secrets of the holy city of Servane. So yeah, it's a squad tactics RPG, tile-based kind of gameplay, kind of similar to XCOM, but but you're set in. I love it. Nice, dude. If you like it, yeah. So it's a squad tactics RPG, and yeah, we are currently in pre-development. Right now we're pushing for a prototype build for the game. If you are in the District of Columbia area, we'll be in Silver Spring on the 19th of October, where you'll be able to meet me in person and play. If you're interested, let me know. But I do live stream this Monday, Tuesday, Thursday, and a bit of Friday. Right now, what we're working on is the investigation board part. I'd love to, but I'm in the UK. I just hop the pond over, dude. So, thanks for the follow, CJ. Appreciate it, man. So right now, I'm just currently working on the investigation board. So the map. So in Penumbras, part of the important thing is that we're gonna have a map panning feature. And what this does is that you'll be able to pan through the whole entire city of Servane, and like click on like actual physical locations, because I want to make this as tactile as possible. Like, you are part of the investigation, because one of the issues about games in our format is that, like, yeah, you read shit and like maybe you could interact with it, but there's not a lot of like, oh, I'm pointing to this, oh, I want to click on this, or like, oh, hey, I'm gonna go to this. I like the concept of the interactable map, as do I. When we were running whatchamacallit, when we were running paper tests, people really liked the map. They were like, oh yeah, I love that little interactivity and immersion. I'm like, yeah, as do I. I like it too. And so we're like, oh, there we go. But yeah, so like in our game, in the evidence is that you can read through it, and as you read through it, you can click on like various prompts that appear, and like you interact with your squad mates. So this is a dialogue system we're currently working on. It's probably gonna be next. So like I clicked a lead, created a lead, and then like you can go to this, and voila. So yeah. Thank you. So then like you launch that, and then why the fuck is that button not replaced? Okay. All right. So save this. Get a camera map movement. We're gonna clear player direction. Yes. Compile. handle map camera movement, and then map camera movement is we're gonna delete this direction, compile this event graph, boom, camera map movement, and then this made my life a whole lot easier. Made that relative, and yeah, how are you doing today, CJ? How's everyone doing in the chat? Hope everyone is doing well this fine Monday afternoon, Monday morning if you're in the West Coast, and Monday evening if you're in Euro. Happy autumn, everyone. So, currently solo deving an action RPG with the scope of Fable 1 and heavily inspired by it. Interesting. Alright. Some content made home base controller relative movement. Alright, let's clean up around here. Camera locked onto lead, new camera pawn, min zoom distance, key down, no. Where's movement forward? Yes. Backwards. Yes. Yep. Let's clean up around here. Dude, but like, Fable 1? That's what I've been noticing. A lot of people are just going back to old designs. It's almost like the old designers were onto something. Never like focused on immersion or something like that. Do you ever play it? No, but I played Fable 3. That one was a so yeah. All right. So currently just cleaning this up. I mean, it was just something went horribly wrong with their whatchamacallit, with the scope. It was like their minimum beats were like way too big, and it's just like it suffered. Fable 1 is my favorite huge childhood game for me, remastered in 2014. The game aged really well, so it's playable today. Fuck yeah, man. Fable 1 was a bit before my time. Just before, like my first big RPG series. It's like kind of Mass Effect. How old am I? I am 23 years old. That's what I'm saying. Just a little bit before my time. I'm 26, so not a huge of a gap, but that's what I'm saying. Just a little bit before my time. Yeah. Oh, geezer. I'm joshing you, dude. Alright, so camera is relative. Yay. So the camera here is relative, and we're fixing, so we're doing this. Woo, 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 woo. Hi there, I'm testing dialogue. Click me the creative filter lead. Okay. So... You know what I'm gonna do? This narrative component sucks. Is this the biggest project I've done? Yes, it is. It's a very like this part alone is very complex. Here, let me walk you through. So first things first is that you have to. There's a lot that go. It's a strategy game, so that's like woo. And then investigation board is like this is mechanically very complex. So like, okay, hey, here's my coin, like physically interacting with objects that can rotate, burn diagrams, autopsy, and like readers, implementing a reader along with like various gameplay clues and all that stuff. You like click on it, then launches dialogue, and then you do that, and then all of this communicates with this map, which then has like gameplay objects. Which then like spawns like little widgets like that, and then you have to like pull out from data tables. There's just a whole lot of information going on. So the answer is yes, but it's fun. It's a lot of fun. I really like it. It's like now that everything's kind of like gelling together, like all these like all this information that I've been like planning out in my game design document, all that stuff, it's just been coming together. It's been fantastic. So yeah, there's like no other feeling. Just like, yeah, I know it's coming together, boy. Okay. So, nope, not that. I want to fix this. Working on dialogue UI. So, this dialogue UI fucking sucks. You want to know why? Census records, coin. I feel like Nice. I feel like I always start a project and get halfway through it and realize how I could have done it better, BRB. Well, I mean, here's the thing. Like, yeah, you could have done it better. But at the same time, it's like, you've done half of it. You already have the momentum going behind you. You can definitely finish the last 50% of it. Like, and then once you're done to 100%, then that's when you can go back and, like, start doing it better. Or, so forth. But, like... don't be afraid to just say, it's good enough. Like, for this, like, specific function. Yeah, you should not do this. This is expensive because, like, you can't cast, which causes the blueprint to always be loaded, which can be expensive. And it's the whole entire fucking game mode. So... on the tick, like the tick of the game, it's like, yeah, it's no bueno, it's no good. But you just gotta say, fuck, it's good enough. This is what I kind of want. I will come back to this. That's the key to success, I have found. Just saying, fuck it, good enough. So, yeah. You should not do this. Yeah. Proceeds to do this, I know. It's like, that's the only way I know. I'll fix it later. Let's see how time I'm on this bad boy. 26 minutes. Okay. Sorry, chat. I gotta get that content farm, you know? It's like, I want to grow this live stream and make this game a commercial success or something like that. Thank God. Fucking finally. Gotta make those YouTube shorts that drain my non-existent soul because I'm a fucking ginger. Oh, yeah. Okay, so we are now working on UI, dialogue overlay, testing widget. So one of the things that we are going to do is that we are going to create a custom UI with the narrative 3. Narrative 3, UE5. How to make quest and dialogue. Narrative Tales, that's what they rebranded to. Written learn more on our website. Ooh, fuck, they have a website? Website. Written documentation. Give me. Create games previously not possible for indies. Narrative. Okay. It's great. This guide will show you how to set up a common UI and Unreal's common and packages in UI. If you plan on using any of the UI that as most UI that comes with this build, this plugin detail. So if I can use my narrative, that just seems annoying. Since we're using common UI, purchase. Okay. That's just features. Alright, I need documentation. Give me your documentation, motherfucker. Speaker UI controller. Narrative common UI plugin. Alright, you know, we're using 3.4. Good. Dialogue creation, move, dialogue shots, custom dialogue shots, dialogue nodes, player responses, audio, blacklining, starting dialogue, quest, tasks, default functions, default tasks, move, blah blah blah, starting quest, narrative events, adding events. Adding conditions, saving and loading, multiplayer, UI, narrative, default view. This switch is main, everything in the UI. Categories and graph, general. This event graph is the first and main opening to narrative UI. It connects. Consulting documentation, chat. BP dialogue option. This widget is the dialogue options the player can control on screen. It stores the text, and the player option from narrative to control is generated from the dialogue event graph on dialogue replies available. Quest branch. This widget is the quest branch widget. This is quest branch. Quest task. Quest journal. Okay. Ba-da-ba-da-ba-da-ba. I'm just thinking right now, chat, about how to exactly approach this. Because right now, like, yeah, there's like a UI that we can add. Excuse me.
create WB home base reader widget. Replace parent reader. Okay, launch dialogue. Okay. All right. I don't like this music. Get out of here. There we go. Shape. Is this smart rating? No. Give me an image. Large notification box. No. You. You are going bye-bye. You're going all the way up here. What are you? Task box? No. I don't need you either. I just need this. I just need this dialogue. And then I need... How large is the space canvas? Okay, yeah, we need to make use 1920 by 1080. And then do this, and then go to home base. Census records. Okay. Honestly?
know, chat. Honestly, I think I may have to, So the thing about this tool, man, chat, that's boring. That's boring. Unless you guys want to watch me go into a tool and break it down, see what they're doing. It's like, you guys are here for the exciting shit, right? You want to see me program this stuff, fix stuff on the fly and make it look like I'm a genius, right? No. I'm having too much fun with this. Okay. Incredible. All right. Excuse me. Excuse me. All right. Well, working on. What should I work on next, chat? Well, let's see. Let's consult what I said when I set myself out to do today. Create camera clamps for. All right. So I made the. All right. Camera clamps. Let's figure this out, chat. So, event begin play. So if I go to blueprints, go to the evidence table. So event begin play. Get actor of class return value BP evidence table. Evidence table, event begin play, return value. Look at that, it's a cloud. I don't know what that does. That's cool. Not gonna use it though. Box collision. Bound. Camera bounds. BP. No. Controller bounds. So controller bounds. Get controller bounds length? No. Size? Volume? Get box extent? It's a vector, so get rid of this. Get box extent. Get scaled box intent UE5. What does that do? So it returns a box extent scaled by the component scale. Event begin play. We're gonna add a function, define camera map bounds. And then we're gonna get actor, class, evidence table, and then, as evidence table, camera bounds. Volume. What else? What else is there? Camera bounds. Gosh. Chat, do we have any insight into this? I'm trying to define bounds, camera bounds. Okay. 32. New camera pawn. Oh, you know what I can do? Get actor of class. Sphere. Get camera bounds. Get those two. And then voila. And then branch this. And then branch you out. And boom. 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 See, the issue is now. Fine-tune this check later. Fine-tune this check later. This just checks for camera within. Fuck it. Camera from hub to map. Dude, none of this is working. Meow. Hey, Art Dev, welcome to the stream. Welcome, American. Glad to have you here. Trying to figure out this bullshit. Wah. What? Number 15. Burger King foot lettuce. I've been doing good. Hard at work. Work. Alright, never mind. We're just gonna... Alright, you know what we're gonna do? Map. X. Oh, I see. Map. X. How about yourself, man? Doing well? BRB? Oh, okay. We need a clamp. Been good. Finished Fellowship of the Ring. Probably should have watched it earlier. Yeah. Yes, you should have. Oh. Swear to God, I cannot believe they got all the way to Mordor and then credits rolled. Mordor. Good. Watched Lord of the Rings 2 today. Nice. It's gonna be good. It's gonna be good. Gonna be real good. No, fuck it, I'll do that tomorrow. Alright, clamps. Alright, alright, we're gonna do working on lead pursuing. What is lead pursuing, you might say, Kai? Well, lead pursuing is when you click on a lead and you go to investigate it, and I'm gonna be managing all of that stuff. And so we're gonna go to mission select. No, I've been programming for the last 3.5 hours. Who the fuck? Oh. Who the fuck? Could ever be. So my friend gets a laptop and that will be me. Nice. Nice. Home base game mode. What's lead pursuing? It's essentially you launching missions in the game. That's what I'm working on. This goes away. Die. Oh! Yeah, set destruct. Yeah, bye. Oh! Cast the EM battle game mode. Designer launch mission. Nope, nope. Going to, oh, sorry for the flashbang chat. Audio SFX. Nice. Nice. That's fun. It's a fun sound. Oh. We are continuing through with this. Alright, so we are continuing with this. Gotta go, bye, have a good day. Alrighty, I'll see you around tabletops. Thanks for swinging on by, man. Alright. Close that. Select mission. Alrighty, thanks for swinging on by, Art Dev. We're gonna update this this here. So this is going to be on clicked, then H1 unclicked, play sound 2D. Camera's really slow right now, but that's fine. I can finally tune that over the course of the adventure and all that stuff. Excuse me. So yeah. Okay. Alright, so all right. Hi there. I'm testing dialogue. Okay. Alright, that solves that. Okay, so we are going to keep on continuing with this. Errors. Errors and warnings? What? Oh. Yeah. Oh, man, oh, man. Oh, big stretch. Oh, yeah. That feels good. That felt good. I don't know. Honestly, I think I've hit my programming for a hot minute. So, let's go over my things. I responded to him. Do that for tomorrow. Prepare that LinkedIn post. Yep. And then pursuing lead. Live stream shit. Yep. Yeah. Looks great to me. Okay. All right. Let's see. What else is there to do today, chat? Well, personally, I need to take a break, but we're also like about to end the live stream in about 20 minutes. Because I have to end it at 2. I have other shit I have to do. Definitely. So, I mean, yeah. Honestly, there's nothing really interesting left to do. In the game world. And I'm feeling pretty tuckered out. So, I think we're gonna call that for that, and we're gonna chat. We're gonna chat for the last couple of minutes. Chatty chats. While I do some development shit, in production and all that fun stuff. Yeah. Just chatting for now. Man. How's that looking? That's looking pretty good, I say. Well, except for it. It was cool to watch your stream for the first time and see what you're working on. Thanks, Arbona. Yeah, thanks for swinging on by. yeah, what do you think of it, dude? Write out flow diagram for home base. Home base code. Home base code, and then what else? What else? Begin creating follow up to people. Well, it's interesting. I have to keep watching. I have to keep watching is what I think so far. Oh yeah, man. Well, yeah. I mean, it's a lot of gameplay interactions happening between all of this. I mean, between like the evidence board, the evidence table, the leads, the various objects, and all that stuff. It's actually getting kind of overwhelming for myself, but I'm sticking to it. I think I just have to start Figma, writing out the Figma board for it. Because there's just so much information. It's like all talking to each other, which is good. You want to have all this information talking to each other, but it's just like so much. Two people from showcase, create reminders. Yeah. All right, man. I think I'm gonna end the live stream here. Otherwise, let us get us into the closing credits. Alrighty, everyone. Thank you all very much for swinging on by. I will be live once again tomorrow at 10 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Also, mark your calendars at 10 a.m. this Friday. It'll be our first Game Loop Friday. I will be announcing the game tomorrow of what game we will be playing. And, yeah, if you haven't subscribed to our emailing list, make sure to do so at www.faroutstudios.com. And if you are not part of our Discord server, maybe you should join us. Boom, hello, boom, and a boom. There you go. Make sure to join our Discord server. Otherwise, everyone, be back here at 10. We're going to be continuing to work on camera controls and dialogue UI. And I'm going to go get myself some lunch. And I'll be hanging out in the Discord, so don't be afraid to don't be a stranger around there, all right? Alrighty, everyone. I will see you all tomorrow. Okay, bye!